Okay, so we have arrived at it just says Stazione, but believe me, it's Parma. So yeah, we're quite looking forward to it. It's not the biggest of towns, not as big as Florence that we went to yesterday, or as big as Verona that we went to the day before. But apparently it's very beautiful. There's a really nice piazza in the centre, a lot of old stuff. Apparently it's a famous university town. In the UK we think of a university town with just loads of students going out drinking. In Italy these date back hundreds, possibly about thousands, well not thousands, but hundreds of years. A lot of beautiful old buildings and stuff, so we're looking forward to seeing a bit of that. Apparently the Baptistery in the main square is an unbelievable building. It's also the home of food, so whilst we'll be doing a separate food video, we might just show you a little bit of me eating some Parma ham and maybe eating some cheese as well, because obviously Parmesan, Parma ham are very famous in this region. So we stopped up, we just arrived about half an hour ago, we've been into the city past some beautiful buildings and stuff. We've just stopped for a cappuccino and a sandwich, and I have a Parma ham sandwich. You eat it in the UK, it looks good, but I'm really interested in good flavours like That's good, but the flavour is very, very strong. Obviously, Parma ham isn't cooked, it's cured, and the flavour coming through is really, really thick, really, really strong. It's very nice, but it hits you in the taste buds much more if you had ham or prosciutto back in England. Very good though, good start to our day. Right, so we're in the centre of Parma. In the main square you've got a big cathedral, there's a small museum, and then there's what you call the Baptistery. We've just been into the cathedral. We'll show you some of the clips after. It's an unbelievable sight. Parma was on our list as one of the third or fourth things for this trip. Obviously Florence and Verona have a lot more name recognition. That's not a bit of a terrible phrase to use. But we were just absolutely blown away by the interior of the cathedral. The painting is just unbelievable. So much detail. It's, oh my goodness, it's full of optical illusions. It's full of wonderful Renaissance paintings. At times you think it's masonry work, you think it's woodwork, and it's actually just the paint coming off the walls. Not coming off the walls like bad paint, but coming off in terms of like this is another terrible phrase, like a 3D style. It's unbelievable. It's an absolutely beautiful thing to see.
So we've just been into the Baptistery, which you can see behind me. Yeah, it was amazing. For me, not quite as good as the church that we've been into, but the paintings on the wall I think are even older than the church, and the details are really cool. We think it's to do with the punishment of saints. Is that right?
Yeah.
But yeah, really amazing. And it's all part and parcel of the ticket that you can buy. So we got tickets for €8 each, and that gets you into the museum, into the church, and into the Baptistery. So if you come to Parma, it's definitely worth a look.
Trace, what can we see?
So we're just walking back to the train station, and we've seen a vending machine. We always like to see what they look like. This one actually has Parmigiano cheese in it, which I can understand because we're in Parma, but just a bit strange you can buy it from a vending machine next to a shop that sells it properly.